Alright, so I'm recording this now because I wasn't going to do a video today because I really didn't know what was going on with my car. I've been bouncing back and forth of just kind of giving up and just doing whatever. But I got it running. Yes, I'm super excited about it. This is the Outback key. I'm giving it back to Reed. But real quick, before we kind of do some tests on it, I wanted to start this video and kind of do this vlog to show you guys, especially if you guys had an issue like this. I mean, not per se that your car got stolen, but let's just say your fuel, like you just not getting fuel, but it's not your relay, it's not your pump or anything like that. And I am by no means going to be showing you guys how to do this, I guess, the right way. I am going to do it my way, and it's going to work because I said so. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, so let's go in the car real quick and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on right now and what I'm gonna do afterwards. Alright. Okay, so what we got going on here is this is the wire the guy used to jump my car with. We tested this the other day and it worked, but kept cutting fuel, and I don't know why. Now, Reed's gonna come test drive the car. I'm gonna move the Outback. Here, Reed, you can move the Outback. After he moves it, he's gonna drive my car around because I'm scared too, because I don't know if this is gonna just fall out or whatever, and I don't really want to drive it around until I do my fix. But yeah, the other day this fell out and it kept cutting fuel, and I thought it was another issue. Well, today I flattened out the wiring and just jammed it in there really, really tightly, and now the car's just staying running. So she's running right now. Reed just shut the hood. But after we figure this test out, oh, let me pull in focus again, my bad. After we test this out, I am going to run down to the parts store. I'm going to grab wire, fuse, plug-in thing, some fuses, and a switch. And then essentially, this is going to make my car run. I'm going to have to manually turn my pump on. I'm no longer going to have my ECU telling it to turn on. And then this is also going to create an anti-theft system. So we're going to drive this bitch. I just got in the car. Fuck Reed. How are you going to get in here, bro?
I'm following.
You're bro, I'm just going to go to the school real quick. I'm just going to drive up and down the block. Alright, I'm going to drive this car, and then I will be back with you guys and let you know how it is. Alright, so we drove it around for a little bit, and it feels fine. Clutch is a bit softer now, so it's probably, I don't know, I'm going to tighten, it's a cable clutch, so I'm going to tighten it up. I don't have to deal with hydraulics. I just ate some Chinese food, that's why I'm kind of burpy. Shit, and coffee too. Anyways, so I'm going to kind of show you guys kind of a quick fix. I don't know. This is probably a really bad idea, but it could also be a really great idea. And maybe you guys can learn something, and that'd be cool. Yeah, we'll see. So let me show you what we got. Alright, so we have some 14 gauge, or sorry, 12, that's 12 gauge. This is the 14 gauge switch, connectors, and if you can't already tell what we're about to do, let me just tell you real quick. We're going to cut the plug to where the relay is, and we're going to pretty much make our own kill switch. Considering that it only fires when it's bypassed, I'm assuming that it is something that has to do with wiring from the ECU to that plug to the relay, because after that there's zero power to the sub harness and the main harness, which I went through in last videos, and if you are learning how to do that more in depth, there's better YouTube videos because I suck at teaching people. So we got that. I got some Chinese food. My roommate is gonna have to focus here. My roommate is well, he was playing Forza, the Horizon 4 demo. But yeah. So I'm going to wait till Devin gets off work. We're going to do this together just because he's done this a couple times to other cars for different reasons. And I've never done this. So I'd rather have someone somewhat experienced help me out with this. And that's not Reed. And yeah, so This will be a good video, man. This will be tight because it's gonna work great. That's Devin. You can't even see Devin.
Sorry.
What are you doing in my car? Are you stealing it? Oh, car's getting stolen again. Yeah. Dude, that's a big ass fucking spider right there. Bro, they're fighting. Bro, no, look at this shit. Fuck, can you guys see that? There's those two spiders. Oh, it's out of focus. Well, they were fighting.
It's like now they're recording.
Yeah, see, I'm trying to record the fucking Thunderdome of the spider world. Welcome. See, look. Oh my god, they're fighting. Or mating. I don't know. They're doing something. Yo, check out these two spiders doing something. They're like fighting or mating. Go get the fly swatter. Alright, so Devin's here now, as you guys saw. I'm wearing my favorite hoodie. This is my favorite freaking work hoodie. Like, it's dirty as hell. And I hear somebody behind me. I don't know who it is. I'm trying to put all this stuff in my pocket. So we're gonna show you guys kind of exactly how to quick fix something like this. Devin forgot his light, so it's gonna be kind of a dark video. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, here we go. So I was gonna kind of do a step-by-step how to do this, but I think what I'm gonna do is Devin and I are just gonna do it really quick. Or not really quick, we're just gonna probably get around.
Take like 20 minutes.
And then afterwards I'll show you guys exactly how I'm gonna tuck it and how to kind of do the whole procedure itself. First thing we're gonna do, actually I want to show you that before we get it, and let's just kind of focus in here. The green plug right there, go on focus, there we go. That green plug, there's two wires. Let's see if I can grab it and show you guys. I'm like looking at the camera too, and like, no, you're good, bro. Let's see, right? Shit, you ain't gonna see. The two thickest wires on this are the two we're gonna cut to bypass and make our own manual fuel pump relay, pretty much. So yeah, we'll get that cut and hooked up, and then I'll show you guys exactly how to do it and send it. To kind of give you guys an idea here, so we have this wire, which is the power wire. We have a fuse connected to it, and then the wire that doesn't have anything else connected to it is the, I guess, ground wire. In this case, they're both just to the switch. We already tested and confirmed that it works. I just unplugged everything because I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Not exactly where I'm gonna be putting it, but you can kind of see up there. Let's see if I can just set the light down here and just focus real quick. There we go. So green plug, where are you? So we cut the green plug, the wires to the green plug, and then we took the wires and simply bypassed them. We had some issues, so we took these two clamps. I don't ever recommend anybody doing this, but I am gonna post this just for some knowledge in case you guys are looking for a quick fix like I am. This isn't a car I want to sink a bunch of money into. I just want it to run for at least 6 months until I can get something a little more, you know, nicer, I guess, or whatever. This is just to be a cheap daily. That's all this was. So, and it runs tits. So yeah, so this is how we fixed it. And then use as much wire as you need. Trace it through your car, make sure you're tucking it, make sure it looks pretty. And then hook it up to your switch, which I have in my pocket right there. And we're gonna put that bad boy back to where it was. And then I'll go ahead and start it up for you guys and show you that it works. Okay, so I have it all hooked up again. This isn't where I'm going to put it. This is where I have the wires going right now. It's actually, the wiring's really long. I actually have to cut it, but I'm going to do it tomorrow when there's actual daylight, and then reposition where I want it to go. But it's a mess under there right now with wiring. So this is it, a little switch. It's out of focus, but yeah, it's a switch connected, bypassing the relay. if you were to try and crank it right, oh, my keys are in my pocket, but if you were to try and crank it right now, essentially what will happen is the same issue I've been having, and that's, well, nothing. I don't know why my wiper's turned on. But you flip the switch. Oh wait. There you go. I forgot my clutch. This clutch is really weird, so you gotta like really put it in. Yeah, she's alive. So I'm happy about that. Switch, just leave the switch running. Obviously if you turn the switch off, it'll just die. Or it'll just die right now because I probably have no gas. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm probably almost out of gas. So let's turn the car off. That's probably the first thing I'll do tomorrow is go get gas. But we might be, I don't know. I think I may have broke the gas gauge too. I don't know. I'll have to figure all that out tomorrow. It's almost pretty late and I'm tired. I'm tired of holding a freaking camera phone. Shining, it's annoying. This is annoying. I don't like making videos at night with this camera. But yeah, so there you have it. Car runs, car works. I'm excited. And I just gotta clean up the car and put stuff back together. And I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow before, I'm gonna flip the camera around, before I go to Spirit Peaks tomorrow. I haven't been there in a while, and tomorrow is actually my buddy's birthday. So I'm gonna take my camera with me because I know he's probably gonna want video of his birthday. But it's gonna be a fun time, and I'm super stoked for it. I got a couple videos that are dropping before him. But anyways, with that, guys, thanks for checking this out. Hopefully, if you're having an issue like that, that helps, at least fixes it for now. It's something you can do for now, and then you can always put shit back together. Like, I can plug that plug back in and use my relay. It's just, I just wanted to get it fixed now. But with that, I will see you guys all in the next video, or you'll see some cool stuff in the next video. And yeah, I'll see you then. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night. I guess in my time zone. Alright, bye.